All right, so guys, the strategy that I'm using is not free and it will never be. So the course is not free and it will never be. So first, I'm going to open the first trade and I will continue to make this clear. So the first trade is going down, so $250 short. And yeah, so this is the first trade. So as I was saying, our course will never be free, guys. So I hope this answers the questions from those asking for free access to our course. That it will be never free. All right, just let this sink in, and I hope that you understand me, guys. Education need investment. So invest in education, or if you don't have money to invest, that's okay. You can learn for free for free from YouTube, or try to read free books, free articles. Try to learn from experience, uh, learn from demo account, making mistakes, learning from them. Yeah, but if you want access for free to our course, I'm sorry, but it's not possible. Yeah, let me just take the first trade. Yeah, $127. Yep. So this one at the end it was a little bit harder, but that's okay. So let's open another with $250. Let's open another short position. And yeah, guys, as I was saying, try trading with demo account when you're starting, because starting with a demo account rather than using real money is crucial for several reasons, especially when you are new to trading, when you don't have a good plan, a good strategy, when you don't know what you're doing. So start with demo account, and this means learning without financial risk. All right, you are learning from your mistakes without losing your money. It's beautiful, right? Just keep trying different stuff, different strategies, try different indicators without losing real money, just losing fake money or demo account money. Yeah, next. Um, I'm not first. Let me just. All right, This one was tricky. The previous one, yeah, the previous one was, but this one was risky. Yeah. So I guess that the market now will try to go up. I'm not sure, but it will try to go up, and that's what. Let's go up. All right. So yeah. So guys, practice. Practice makes perfect, right? Just like any skill, trading requires practice. So you need to practice. A demo account offers a risk environment. I hope that this makes sense. Risk-free environment to practice different strategies, different indicators, test your understanding of the markets, and became more familiar with the trading platform. Like in this case, I'm trading with IQ option. Trading on demo account, you'll be more familiar with the indicators, the chart patterns, the tools, the trading platform, the market. You will learn a lot of stuff by practicing on demo account. And I'm not saying practice for a few days. No, I spent over 5 years just practicing on demo account. Just practicing on demo account. I developed my strategy, practiced my strategy for over 2 years. I've been practicing the same strategy. All right, practicing I still practice on demo account. Like I've been trading for like 8 years now. I still practice on demo account. Whenever I have a new idea, or even with my strategy, I see some changes in the market, I try to update the strategy on demo account. I don't test it with real money. Right? Yep. Another beautiful win. Yeah, I guess we still have to go up. The market is still going up. Yeah, it's going up. Like MACD is not in the best situation this evening, but the other indicators are indicating the same thing. So I guess it's a win. So as I was saying, guys, you need to understand the platform. You need to understand the platform you're trading with, whether you're trading with IQ option, pocket option, binary.com, Codex, any platform you're trading with. You need to be familiar with it, get comfortable with the tools offered by this platforms. Trading tools can be most times can be complex, so it's hard to learn. So with the I mean with various features like charting tools, order types, and indicators, you must be familiar with and understand more. Great. Yeah, both previous trades were going up, I guess. Yeah. Look, I love this kind of trades. Beautiful. As I was saying, it was beautiful. Yeah. Let's go up. Let's keep going up. Let's keep going up. So as I was saying, guys, demo account allows you to navigate and learn the platform without the pressure of, the pressure of real money trades. So avoid costly mistakes, right? When you're trading with them demo account, you're avoiding costly mistakes, because it's easy to make mistakes when you are new to trading, like entering the wrong order type or the wrong amount of money. So in demo account, yeah, in demo account, these mistakes are lessons rather than costly errors. All right, let's go up again. I guess we are going up again. Yeah, just as predicted, the market is going up. It's somehow clear. This signal is clear. It's not the best yet, but it's clear. Yeah. Guys, if you are interested in learning the strategy, please go back to our course. The course is in the description of this video at binarystrategycourse.com, binarystrategycourse.com. And if you are already a student of mine, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There's some updates to the way I use MACD with the strategy. There was some changes to the market and we had to update the strategy. Yeah. So please go back to the strategy or to the course chapter 5, episode 3. Look. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I love how clear the trend in this one. Also, this one was a little bit, but the last four trades was beautiful. Yeah, I trust the market. It's still going up. Yeah, let's just wait for it. So, also you too need a good strategy before starting, or anyone who are interested in trading must have a good strategy or a strategy like a valid strategy. So develop and test your strategy. With demo account, strategy validation is there. So before committing real money, you need to ensure that your trading strategy works. So by testing it on demo account, so demo account lets you test and refine your strategies using real market data without the financial consequences. Yeah, beautiful. Here the market is starting to change the direction a little bit. So this is why I'm going down. Yeah, I guess this is the last trade. Yeah, this is the last trade. We made enough. This beautiful. So guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I make these videos for entertainment purposes only. This is not a financial advice. And remember, binary option is risky. You could lose your money trading binary option. I'm just making these videos a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. This is just a simulation of what is possible. You can make this or you can lose more. Be careful. Yeah, the last trade. So I hope that you enjoyed, guys. And yeah, see you later.